Today we're going to continue with our DNA extraction process. So we've sampled the microbes, we've filtered them, and then we've lysed them. We've separated out a lot of the cell debris, and as you can see, we were left with 3 different colors of lysate. So we're still trying to get out the DNA, which is clear. So the next step is we're going to add solution C.
We have shaken and centrifuged our samples to get the DNA into solution C.
So now we're going to remove the supernatant. As you can see, supernatant is clear. Ta-da! Ta-da! Everything's clear. This is still not pure DNA. There's still quite a bit of junk in it.